everyone, this is Annabelle Casinto from DEFE, and now together with my co-member, let us tackle about the Unit 2, School as a System. School as a system has 8 key elements, and these include structure, individual, culture, politics, technical core, which is teaching and learning, environment, outcomes, and feedback loops. A school is thought of as a social system in terms of its characteristics, institutional functions, roles, and expectations. As a social system, the school aims to prepare the students to occupy social roles according to their capacities after leaving the school. As an institution, it has the functions of socialization. In the social system of a school, the goal behavior is achieved through the integration of various institutions. So in general, what is social systems? So it is a social organization. It is a group of elements and activities that interact and constitute a single social entity. It is also a model or organization that possesses creativity beyond its component parts. It is distinguished from its environment by a clearly defined boundary. It is composed of subunits, elements, and subsystems that are interrelated within relative stable patterns of social order. So what does social system refers to? It refers to the activities and interaction of groups consisting of members brought together for a common purpose. Classroom is a good example of social system because it has ethos, norms, values, and psychological aspects. And now, let's move on to the first key concept, which is the structure. Structural system is explained based on a form of bureaucratic expectations of viewpoints, which are Hoy and Miskel designed to attain the organizational goals in 2013. Roles are expectations of positions that are arranged in a hierarchy. Schools are complex social structures in which students, teachers, and school administrators interact with each other and educational experiences of the child are shaped. Let's move on to the second key element, which is the individual. The individual is the key unit in any social system. Regardless of the position, people bring with them individual needs, beliefs, and cognitive understanding of the job. So each individual has a different set of needs and beliefs that affect behavior. Individual needs and expectations are flexible and adaptable to formal roles, and thus they provide a room for discretion in the behavior. Individuals interpret the roles according to their behavior. So individuals helps the young people to develop and manage their physical and emotional well-being and to live and work with others in different aspects or contexts. Now, let's move on to the third key elements, which is the culture. So when we say culture, it represents the unwritten feeling part that is being set of values, norms, and beliefs of the organization. The most visible aspects of the organizational life that distinguishes it from other. Culture also significantly affects behavior through establishing commitment to shared norms among individuals. So when we say culture, it referred to as a vibrant link between bureaucratic role demands and individual work, which desires to take along people together in the place of work. Consequently, organizations need to design for their own unique cultures. Now, let's move on to the fourth key element, which is the politics. So, politics emerges from the interaction of authority and power within an organization. It is also the way how some individuals use their influence for their interests. Politics also has informal power relations that develop spontaneously. So when we say politics, it is a system of informal authority relationships that seem to resist other systems of control. And that's the end of my report. And the other key elements will be reported by Miss Felna Jason ahead. Thank you and God bless.